So I've got a problem with my Whirlpool Duet not drawing, and my particular one happens to be this particular model, which happens to be a gas model. Keep in mind that if your model is electric, your problem may be different than what I'm experiencing with my dryer. First things first, I did unplug the dryer. If you get down here, there's a panel that goes across here, and it just had 4 screws. 1 there, 2, 3, and 4 screws, and then it really simply comes off. Next thing I'm going to do is I got to get in here and get these dust bunnies out of the dryer. This is accumulated over the course of I don't know how many years. The main problem you can see here on this gas one is when I turn it on, there's no flame back in here. And a common problem with these are these 2 components right up in here. Let me see if I can get you up in here. These guys right here. So there are 2 of them. Let's see if I can get them both in the frame here for you. There we go. So we have this, has 2 connectors to take off, and then we have this other guy over here. And those 2 items are relatively inexpensive, and I'm going to replace those and see if it resolves my problem. And again, for perspective, this is where those 2 parts live. It's back underneath here. All right, this is how you check your thermal fuse. This is the original that was on the dryer. You can see it's kind of dirty and beat up. Here's the new one. You just get your meter and you want to set it over into the continuity testing. And if you just take your 2 leads and put them together, you'll see there's a tone. So if we take the old thermal fuse, you can see there's no tone when I put the connectors on here. Get the new thermal fuse, do the same test, and you can see we have continuity. So definitely this old fuse is burnt out and needs to be replaced.